What is going on, guys? That is not snow behind me. It is cotton because I'm in Statesboro, Georgia, and we're about to go clean some windows. All right, guys, it's Mike with All About Pressure Washing, and today we're cleaning these windows. But before we get started, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment after you watch the entire video. That helps us with the YouTube algorithm, and that means so much to us. This is the second of 3 buildings that we are doing for this church. One is in Savannah, one is in Statesboro, and one is in Effingham County, Georgia. We did the first one. It was a long, drawn-out process. I thought we bit off more than we can chew, but we overcame adversity, pushed through, and got it done. They were happy with the job and asked us to come back out and do 2 more. So we're about to get started. We're going to use a combination of water-fed poles on the exterior and traditional squeegee and mop on the inside. So I'm about to go get started. All right, so one thing that I recommend when you are cleaning windows is to watch where you're stepping. These are red ants, and these red ants are all over my shoes and my legs now. So that sucks. Hey, Bryce.
Hey.
What do you think?
I think it's looking good.
Pure water window cleaning pretty easy?
Oh, it's very easy.
Good. You're making it look easy, man. Thank you for helping.
No problem.
All right, guys, so we just finished that window cleaning job. We started it at 8:30. It is 11:30 right now, and we're done. All of the exterior windows, all of the interior windows, and even some of the rooms inside that had glass. We threw those in just because we're good guys. It is so nice to know when your company is appreciated. It is so nice to know that you did a good job and customers call you back. This is the second of 3 churches that we're doing for this group, and it is very nice. All we're doing is the windows, but that's okay. This was an outstanding job for us, $2,900 in just a couple hours. So, again, thank you guys so much for watching our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment below, hit that subscribe button. If you're gaining any value from these videos, let us know. Thanks so much, but more importantly, have a great day.